On question number 22, I'm trying to condense the two logarithms into one logarithm. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring up this coefficient as a power, and this will be log of x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus log of x plus 1 squared. And then I'm going to use the quotient rule to combine these. So you'll notice that there's some addition signs on the inside of the logarithms, but we don't have any rules for addition or subtraction signs on the inside of logarithms. It's only addition and subtraction signs on the outside between logarithms that we use the product and quotient rules for. So that's just kind of a good note. Okay, so this is going to be log of x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 1 squared. Okay, so we've condensed it into one logarithm, but we can still simplify it. And this is because we can factor the top. So the top is going to be what two numbers multiply together to give you 2, but add together to give you 3. That'll be 1 and 2. So it's x plus 1, x plus 2, all over x plus 1 squared. And then this x plus 1 is going to cancel out with one of those x plus 1's. So my final answer is going to be log of x plus 2 over x plus 1.